Well, we are starting off today's video headed to a storage unit to pick up a storage unit. Not to buy a storage unit, but to have an empty storage unit so I can start putting my shit in there. The reason being is you guys have seen my apartment. My apartment's an absolute mess. I have boxes everywhere, I have clothes everywhere, I have inventory everywhere. I just have shit everywhere in the apartment. It just makes it so difficult and it stresses me out to like where the point where like I just can't function. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a little storage unit. It's literally 2 minutes from my house, so it's perfect, or where I'm staying at now. And I'm gonna slowly start putting boxes every single day. Put like 5 or 6 boxes a day. And that way, one, I don't have to rent 2 trucks when I do decide to move, or when the apartment's ready for me to move. I can just pick up a U-Haul, go to the storage unit, and from there bring everything there, versus if the apartment's not ready and my landlord is an asshole, which he's been good with me so far, but you know, it'll just make everything easier. So I'm picking up a storage unit now, and I actually found out that the storage units are running a deal. The first month is free, and if you move out within 30 days, you only pay $20. So that's a hell of a deal, and that's the main reason why I decided to do it. Just because, you know, just because for $20 you can't beat that. To have it put everything away. So basically what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start bringing like my winter gear, my personal clothes, just basic stuff that I'm not using. What I'm trying to keep in my house right now is inventory, listed and non-listed, and my bed, and like big furniture. Everything else I'm trying to get out of there. Pots and pans, all the new stuff that I bought from Amazon. Like I bought new pots, I bought new pans, silverware, a Ninja bullet. Like I bought so much shit for this new apartment that has just been sitting in Amazon boxes that I haven't been able to open. So I'm gonna put all that into the storage unit. It'll just be a lot easier, and it will be a lot stressful on my end with the house being so messy and so packed and everything. So let's quickly pick up the storage unit. I am gonna probably hit up a thrift store or two today. I am also gonna be showing you guys stuff that I have listed on the new website. Link down below, emcvlogs.com. Make sure you guys go check that out. PayPal, debit card, credit card, t-shirts starting at $8. You really can't beat it. My prices are a hell of a deal. So make sure you guys go check that out. And yeah, today should just be a good day, a good vlog. Everyone woke up mad cold. Like, it was snowing in Texas. It is 90 degrees right now. I am dying in the heat. I need to go to Colorado. I'm trying to get to Colorado next month, but I was supposed to be in my new apartment already, so that like kind of fucks it up, but we'll see. I'm trying to go to Colorado. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'm pulling up to the storage unit as we speak. Let's get it, guys.
You put the lock in?
Yeah.
That's it. Now you could do.
All right, so this is like perfect. Like I said, I'm not gonna be putting big furniture in here. I'm just gonna be putting boxes and just, you know, stuff. And like I said, for $20 a month, I can't beat this. So now I'm gonna go home, grab some boxes and start loading it in. So quickly came into the thrift store by my house. We found these New Balance 993s. Pretty nice condition. The only thing is they're a little bit loose threads right here, but I feel like that could easily be fixed. It is gonna be size 8. Then we did find a size medium Polo Ralph Lauren, just essential blue jacket. Found this crazy fur jacket I might keep for myself. You guys know I like fur jackets, but I have this crazy like eagle. Then what else did we find? We found this bug shirt, which I thought was kind of cool. All different bugs. And it looks like it would almost change colors in the sun, but I'm not exactly sure. Found this vintage women's United Colors of Bennington, a little patchwork. Might leave it, I'm not exactly sure. Found this USA flag windbreaker jacket. Son of Anarchy's long sleeve, probably gonna leave that. What is this, little North Face long sleeve? And then a Polo Ralph Lauren little like tie-dye. Well, I kind of had a feeling that this was a change colored shirt, but I think since it's been washed so many times, the fade on it, like look, that bug is turning like pink. That's like yellow, pink. But sadly, I think it's been washed too many times and it's just not a good quality one. That wasn't horrible just for randomly taking a stop at my house. We ended up spending $20 on everything. Those New Balance by themselves, I'll probably list for 40, 50 bucks. I've been kind of craving like a smoothie. So I'm gonna go to Jamba Juice, and it's kind of a fun fact. I used to work at Jamba Juice. Back in the day, I used to make smoothies and everything, and my friends used to come in after school. I would hook them up all the time. But yeah, I'm gonna go to Jamba Juice, get a smoothie, just because I've been thinking like, man, I'm hungry, but I don't want like, it's like 90 degrees. I'm dying. It is so freaking hot today, which, like I said, I don't understand how the entire United States is freezing today, and today is like the hottest day of this year so far. But yeah, I need like some kind of smoothie. I was gonna get a milkshake, but I was like, a milkshake just isn't that good for you. So I'm gonna go to Jamba Juice, get like a strawberry banana smoothie probably. Swear, the best smoothies, strawberry banana. You didn't eat your pebbles in them, man, and you don't have your cone on. The doctor's gonna be upset with you. Doctor's gonna be upset with little Captain because he doesn't have his cone on. We're gonna go for a walk later. It's hot. It's too hot to go for a walk now, but we go for a walk later. Are you gonna eat your pebbles? Do you want me to hand feed them for you? Okay, let's eat then. In case you haven't watched my videos before, I sometimes have to hand feed Captain because he's too lazy to eat himself. See? He'll eat if I feed him, but with the big bowl of pebbles sitting here, he won't eat it himself. But if Dad hands it, then you'll eat it, right? He's like, yeah, of course. I mean, if Dad's handing it to me, of course I'll eat it. Silly dog. So I just made it back to the house, and I just put the load of laundry for everything I got, and I just got an offer for $70 for these Jordan 1 mids. So I'm gonna sell those. Now I just gotta find where the other pair is. I just have so much, it's probably in this bag to be honest. Oh, perfect, right on top too. Oh, just kidding. Oh, come on, man. I have so many sneakers I need to get rid of. I'm gonna try to bulk sell most of them before I move. So I noticed the crease is a little bit worse than I thought. I might just give it to him for 60, but I'll see if he says anything. So I just got Pollo Tropical for lunch, and I actually told the guy to meet me here, and he met me inside, and I didn't even bring my camera inside. But he just paid, he actually gave me $72 when I said I wanted to do 60. But I looked at the pictures and I gave really detailed photos, so he knew what he was buying. If I would have gave like not the best photos, or if I didn't realize that the crease was that bad, but it was the same as in the photo, so I figured, you know what, if he was willing to pay the price, then he's willing to pay the price. We did pay $4 for those though, if you guys remember. We thrifted them not too long ago. We found them out of Salvation Army for $4. We flipped them for $72. He gave me $2 extra because he paid over Cash App, and he said, oh well, because it takes $2. And I said, no, don't worry, just give me 70. I was like, I haven't even cleaned them up. And he's like, oh no, I'm gonna restore them and put like shoe trees in them and everything. He's like, I actually skate in them, so they're gonna get ruined, but you know, I just wanted a pair. So I was like, okay, cool. Well, I said, let me get your contact number, and if I get any Jordan 1s in the size 9.5, 10, then I'll sell them to you. You know, he's like, yeah, definitely. So that was cool. Now I'm gonna go home, eat that lunch because I'm starving. And then I'm actually gonna load up the car and bring some stuff to the storage unit. Luckily, you can bring stuff to the storage unit till 9 p.m. so, which is really good because most storage units cut off around like 5, 6 p.m. So 9 p.m. is really late, so that way it's good. I can I'm gonna try to shoot for like 10 boxes today, and I think that's all the boxes I have that are packed ready to go is 10. And then tomorrow I'll probably do another 10 and just kind of slowly do it. But like I said, I want to keep inventory and I want to keep my bedroom. So let's get home, see how Captain's doing. Just because I know there's going to be like people that are like, no, you didn't sell it for $72. Like $5.12, $72, $5.21, and I just got Pollo Tropical, so yeah. Well, this is the Amazon stuff, personal clothes, kitchenware, like dishes and everything. I'm gonna bring that suitcase, so figure 4, 5, and there's about 2 other boxes in there, so about 8 boxes I'm gonna bring. These need to go also. Man, either these boxes are really small, or I just didn't realize how much stuff. Like, I literally just put, let's see, 1, 2, like 5 hoodies, 10 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of shoes, and it's already done. I don't know, maybe that's a lot. I just expecting more. Well, about 10 minutes later, we have the whole entire car packed now. Like I said, 2 minutes, go to the storage unit, and luckily they have a little cart, and my storage unit's literally like 2 doors in, so it's perfect. I could probably unload everything on one shot. And then I'll be done for today, and then tomorrow I'll probably do another 8 boxes, and then to next day another 8 boxes. I'm shooting for the first move-in, so if I just keep doing 8 boxes, my whole entire apartment will be cleaned out, everything will be boxed neatly, and it'll just be a lot of stress reliever off my hands. So let's go to the storage unit and empty out this car. And that's what I'm talking about, one shot done. 7 boxes, 8 boxes, there's one in the car, but the other one's glassware, so I'm gonna handle that with myself. Look how lucky I got. That's basically the front door. Like, that's the first door you walk through after like actually getting in. And then look, my unit's right here. Literally, first floor, so easy. I mean, for $20, come on, such a deal. Man, this unit is huge. My little boxes literally don't take up anything. But I guess it's obviously intended for like furniture and shit. I had to pull up for KFC for lunch. Already rocking the new Crocs. Actually, you guys will see, I'm filming this a day after you guys will be seeing it. You'll see I thrifted these Crocs this morning in tomorrow's video. It's a little like mind blown. But yeah, we're getting KFC. I'm getting chicken tenders with mashed potatoes and gravy with fruit punch to drink. If anyone has the KFC Crocs in a size 12 or 13 and you don't want to tax, let me know. I will buy them. I tried to get them on release day because obviously I love KFC and I love Crocs, but I couldn't get them. They sold out too fast. So if you guys have them, let me know. But after this, I'm just gonna head home, probably end the video. I have to list some more items. I have so many more items to list. I'm gonna list about 50 items today, so I'll actually show you all the 50 items I'll list, and then I'll end the video and upload it for you so you guys can do it. But again, check the link down below, emcvlogs.com. I can't stress it enough. PayPal, debit card, credit card, go buy something. I'll catch up to you guys when I get back home. Man, I can already feel a difference by walking in here and not having so many boxes, but I'm gonna quickly throw up 50 items on the website, link down below. You will see.